Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video at my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing how to create kick and ban command for your Discord bot. So let's just get right into it. We need to do @client.command to create a new command. That's the basic syntax. Then we need to create a new function that takes 3 arguments named ctx and the member to ban, which is gonna be discord.member. Then we put an asterisk and then we put the reason for banning. After you have done that, we gotta do await ctx.send member was banned, and then we gotta do await member.ban, and the reason is gonna be a space plus the reason. Now I'm gonna explain the code in a while, but first we should create the kick command. So just copy this thing and paste it over here and rename all the things to kick. Like the ban is gonna be kick, and this is also gonna be kick, and member was kicked. Okay, so after you have coded this much, let me explain the commands to you. So basically what the asterisk is for is if we put a reason that is more than one word, the bot can take the whole reason instead of just one word for the reason. That's why we put the asterisk. The same reason is over here. And member.kick is just a Discord command which allows us to kick members. And that's it. .kick @I'm a Discord bot for the reason test. This should kick the member, and member have disappeared, and testing bot shows member was kicked. Now if I try to ban him, he would be banned, and if he tries to join again, the user is banned from this guild. And as you can see, we have created a simple ban kick command. I'm gonna show how to create more commands in the next tutorials. Until then, bye bye.